So I'm happy to announce that Injee has started working with HTMX. So let me explain what it is. Okay, like let me just go to the code, and so this is the repo Injee HTMX app. Look, we haven't tested it fully, and we have marked Injee 090 as pre-release because we want to test it fully. But yeah, I think I'm very confident it'll work with HTMX. So that's the thing. But yeah, we have just created a simple demo, like just to what to say, convince us, like okay, it works with HTMX, and yeah, we'll be doing it further. Okay, so let me just run the app and just show you. Okay, so first let me run Injee. So I've just got a folder called Injee in my home directory. So all I just need to do to run is like okay, there is a script which you need to pull. So it's called run Injee. So, okay, so this is the script you need to do curl hyphen L, oops, and then HTTPS u7.in run Injee, and you just pipe it to shell, right? So, this will just download Injee and run it, and it needs Java, but if you don't have Java, it will also install it. Okay, so I already have Injee 090 over here, so it just started running. So that's the thing, right? So now what I can just do is like, okay, like I just need to clone this app, but yeah, I just already have this app and it's in another window over here in HTMX. Okay, so I'll first run it and then I'll just show it to you like what's happening, right? So over here, like, yeah, you can use any server, like VS Code has got built-in static site server, so that can serve a static site, but I just use Python, right? So like, Python-m HTTP server. This will serve at port 8000 and Injee is running in 4125. Okay, so, but yeah, let me just launch it. Localhost 8000, right? Okay, so I've just got something. Okay, so a name and phone number, right? So I just give some name like someone, and then phone number. Let me just give some number, right? And this response is from HTMX. So what's actually happening? Okay, so it's time to dive into code, right? So, okay, this is my index.html, right? So, and this is HTMX app. Okay, so over here, I'm just pulling stuff from what to say, like I'm just pulling this HTMX over here, right? Okay, so and this is like JSON encoding because like Injee takes in only body parameters. Okay, so like and so this is JSON encoding, right? And yeah, this is some style sheets. That's I'm not bothered about it because like yeah, I'm not a designer, so I'm just an app developer. So yeah, so this is the form. Okay, there is contact form and all those stuff, and we are JSON encoding, and we are just swapping what we are swapping this response over here. So the response so over here. So we are just swapping whatever it is. Okay, so that's the thing, right? Okay, so over here, yeah, you've just got this what to say, this name and then phone number and a submit button, right? So and we are hitting the server localhost 4125. Till now Injee just runs only on 4125, and this is API contacts, and this is the view we want. Okay, if we are not giving this one, okay, like if we are not giving this view, we'll get it as JSON. Let me just demonstrate it. Okay, so I'm just okay, right? We'll just get it as JSON, right? But since we have provided a view, we'll get it as HTML, right? So that's the thing, right? Okay, so and now, yeah, so and now let's go to our Injee stuff over here, right? Over here, this is the contact. Okay, so I've just given name, and then over here in what to say, this is a syntax called mustache. Okay, so let me just open mustache, MOUSTACHE, templating. Okay, uh, templating. Hopefully this, yeah, this is the templating engine you need to use if you want Injee to run in what to say, like with HTMX. Okay, so that's the thing, and this is the specification, right? So oops, the specification is not so good. Okay, yeah, fine, yeah, right. Okay. Oh God, wait. I don't know where is the proper documentation for it. Uh, the manual mustache. Okay, fine. Okay, I think this one. Yeah, yes. Okay. So this is the manual. This is how you just give. And okay, look, this is the JSON you're just getting. Okay. This time for us, it's phone number and something like that. And you can just embed this JSON content like this one, name and phone and all those stuff. Okay. So now let me just do something like, okay, like let me just put something like, okay, like H1 and then contact saved. Okay, so and then I'm just putting like, okay, and then that's it, like, okay, name and phone number. Okay, so now let me just go to my, what to say, over here, and let me just give something like, okay, this one, and then number is something, and then let me just give submit, and it just says contact saved and name and phone number, right? So all you just need to do is, okay, let us come to this HTMX app. You just need to specify a view, right? And that view is over here in this views folder and any file, okay? And what this parameter, this magical stuff does it, okay? That is like Injee does it. It just checks whether there is a view. Okay, if there is a view, it converts the JSON to HTML and sends it back. This actually works for every request, like post, put, that is to update, and then to get, to fetch some stuff, and then to delete. Okay, so for everything, if you just specify view, it works. Okay, so that's how Injee works. But yeah, this is just a preview. Okay, so this is just a preview. We just started. I think, yeah, actually the work for HTMX is complete. But yeah, like we just want to test it fully before announcing it to the world. Okay, if you want to get it, yeah, like you just need to what to say, run the script in Injee, like okay, like run Injee, right? Okay, so you just need to run the script in, what to say, in your terminal, so that Injee starts running, and people who are using till 080 will find no difference at all. It'll just run as usual, right? But people who want to use this HTMX feature will have it as a bonus. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And we'll write full documentation for HTMX and all those things. That's the thing. And yeah, we are just having some confusion, like whether to write it or not, because everything just attached with a view is enough. Okay, so and you just attach a view to this books, like, okay, so that's the thing, books, and then you just give a view over here, what file, and then that's it. It works. Okay, so as simple as that. So yeah, we'll just update our documentation and officially release to the world. But yeah, like let this be pre-release, even though it is good enough. Let it be pre-release. And if you're a HTMX person and you find this very good, I'll be very happy. And please write to me or just message me and something like that. So yeah, like what to say, like you can message me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Signal to this number, and I'll be happy to hear from you, get your feedbacks, and implement it in Injees, right? So that's the thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until we see next Injee video back.